Have you ever found yourself waiting for something so much that you feel like you are losing your present? I often find my thoughts in the future, like I feel I will be happier someday when the thing, whatever it is I'm waiting for, happens. If only vacation started tomorrow. I wish I could buy a house sooner. I'm so excited about this weekend to finally rest from my 9-to-5 job. But our life is happening right now, not in the future. It is in the moment of a busy workday, waiting in a line. It is happening during house chores or in a heavy breakup. At some point I started to worry that in 70 years I will look back and wish I had savored every moment and enjoyed every period of my life, without rushing into the future so much. So, as cheesy as it sounds, whenever I find my thoughts in the future, I return to the present moment and tell myself, I want this moment to last long. Even when I'm annoyed with dirty dishes or worried about not having enough money, or when I'm just on the toilet peeing, I want to be present. When I stopped rushing and accepted the flaws of the present moment, I felt calm and peaceful. I felt here and now. Breakfast with no phones, staring at trees, drowning in a book. In time, I started going back to the balance I was looking for so much and this mental peace. This reminded me of my childhood. I felt the same thing, assembling Lego house, cutting out clothes for my paper doll, making friends with a homeless man that hung around our district. This was quite dangerous as a kid, would recommend. But at what point of adulthood we forget what here and now feels like? And how do we get back to this state of mind? How to be present? Here is an exercise that helped me. When you notice you're stuck in your head and don't feel in the moment, get back to your sensory organs. What do you see, feel, hear, smell, or taste right now? Concentrate on the sense that is prevailing at the moment. If you're walking in a park, see every leaf. Stop your gaze at the bark of the trees, feel the wind on your cheeks, and sound of your steps. And if it rains, okay, you'll get wet. Feel it. Every drop that irritated you before is one more sign that you are here, present. If your Russian thoughts came back, it's fine. They're probably very interesting to think. But this time, just admit them and let go. Just let go. Just as right now, I am enjoying editing this video and don't rush to publish it to see the likes and comments, though I really like reading them, and someday I will, but now it does not matter. I want this moment to last long. Are you feeling this with me while watching it?